Survivorship for general practitioners is a relatively new term. However, for many years, GPs have been looking after patients with chronic illness, whether it's heart, lungs, cancer. Survivorship is a term that reflects much of the activity of a general practitioner, looking after the patient as a whole. And the fact that survivorship means more than treatment of the cancer. It's that ongoing journey with the cancer diagnosis, looking after the patient, looking after the carers as well. And for us as general practitioners, working closely with our hospital partners and also allied health practitioners.
I think survivorship care really lends itself to a shared care model between specialists and GPs. And I think that as time goes by, we will see this model of care being implemented more and more.
I definitely saw that my primary point of contact is my GP in terms of knowing my holistic self, and because it's not just the cancer, the GPs and looks after all aspects of my health. So it was good to have her involved.
I think all GPs recognise this is as a potentially growing role, and that should become an educational need. So they may recognise that they need to attend some additional training or courses to upskill themselves in survivorship care. And there are certainly a range of opportunities within Victoria and through the Survivorship Centre to help with that upskilling.
So much of what can be done better in this area is communication. And it's important at the end of treatment or even at different stages of the treatment that the information we provide to GPs is thorough and clear. And there are opportunities to reference it to other documents which mightn't be specific to that particular patient but can also be helpful. What I'm referring to here are the optimal care pathways that have been developed through the Health Department and the Cancer Council of Victoria, and they are often a very good guide for what to expect for a patient right through the cancer journey.
We look at the RACGP, what GP should be doing. It's continuing, coordinated, comprehensive care. And we're not confident in looking after cancer patients, whether the cancer itself or related issues or side effects of treatment, then I think we're not doing our job. We have a role and we need to work with our colleagues for patient care. An example I give is a patient that I look after in my area. He had a diagnosis of CML on a background of multiple sclerosis. It was up to our practice, our nurses, to engage with the haematologists, the allied health providers, and yes, he had great treatment, he had oral chemotherapy, but there were some side effects, and it was decided by the specialist that the general practitioner should look after the side effects of treatment, and that's where good communication equaled good care.